What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 44 of the Chaos Daily. Wow, we're gonna have a really short episode today. I'm so tired. Yesterday, I was super busy. I was working on stuff for the curing chamber. I was doing a whole bunch of woodworking, cutting some wood. I got some reclaimed wood to do some rest of like the door and stuff like that. So I was out in the sun. I'm a little bit sunburned, but yeah. We'll live, we'll survive. But I have some super exciting news. The first part of the Albatross is done, and I've mounted the motor on there. So we can see what this beautiful 12-inch prop on this just gorgeous print. I mean, wow. I don't know why anyone is using FDM printing to do 3D printed planes. This is incredible. Like, this is just so detailed. Like, oh, I love it. To think this was on the computer screen, like, just yesterday, and now I've got it in my hand. I'm printing most of the rest of the plane now. So I printed this by itself. This was a 20-hour print, so it was a bit long, but it's because of the height, you know. And it's not a race. I'm not worried about how long these prints take. I'm worried about how good the quality is and how strong they are. And the strength of this, this 0.5mm thickness wall is too thick. I can go thinner. I can go much thinner than this. And I think in future I will beef up the internal structure just a little bit. There's a little bit too much flex there, but this will probably strengthen up when it's attached to the rest of the fuselage. And you get the rest of this hatch opening mechanism done. So now I have that hatch, the rest of that hatch section done on the print, as well as the two parts for the hatch, as well as the tail of the fuselage. So I'm now printing 4 things at the same time. So I'm more comfortable with the reliability and how the printer operates, that I'm comfortable adding more stuff onto the build plate. So we'll see how that goes. If that goes well, then I'm going to start just printing loads of stuff all at once, all in one go, because that is a 26-hour print that's going there at the moment. It's going to take a while, but I'm just blown away with the results. This is going to be epic. I can't wait to fly it. This is going to be so cool. So yeah, we're going to leave this episode here. A nice and short one. Like I said, I'm super busy. I have to now go finish the Phenom setup episode 2. I'm going to go do a bit of recording, some last bit of editing, and then that will be out today. So keep an eye out for that. So make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed. It's very helpful. Go check out my Patreon if you can. These projects are not cheap. And yeah, as always, I've been Chaos. And until next time, expect the unexpected. And I will see you guys later. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.